Hi guys, are you a Firefox user eager to improve browsing privacy by integrating proxies? We have got a simple guide for you. Firefox is free and flexible web browser for everyone. Known for its speed and reliability, Firefox can handle numerous open tabs without causing slowdowns for your computer. As an open source, Firefox benefits from community-driven updates that bring new features like productivity boosters. It also offers useful extensions, PDF alt text generation, and Firefox Monitor for managing emails, all while being lightweight and easy to install. Let's go to the Mozilla Firefox website and download the browser. Once installed, open it. Click the menu button, 3 lines in the top right, and select Settings. Scroll down the Network Settings and click Settings. Next, select Manual Proxy Configuration. Then enter your DataImpulse proxy details such as IP and port from your dashboard. If authentication is needed, input your username and password. Restart Firefox and your DataImpulse proxies will be set up so easy. Top service, constant support, custom solutions, and of course, high-quality proxies. These are our priorities at DataImpulse. Reach out to discover how we can assist you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.